what's up? It's Zin. Today I have two iPhone 12 minis with me. One is in white and one is in black. Here's the white one, and you can see the difference is that it has an orange screen here, and you can kind of see the white along the edges. Here's a little close-up. And then here's the black one. If you look around the edges, it's actually kind of blue instead of an actual black, but we'll see how it looks when I open it up. The screen also is blue instead of the orange one that is on the white. As far as cosmetic differences, if people care about the box, on the black, the Apple logo is black. And then on the white, it's kind of this shiny iridescent silver color. And then you see the same thing on the sides. They were shipped and they came in like 2 days. It was through the T-Mobile website. They're doing a promotion right now, so definitely if you guys can, try not to get these full price. There are lots of good deals going on with a lot of different phone carriers. This part of the box was a little bit banged up through the delivery process, but other than that, and this even up here, it's a little banged up. It looks fine otherwise. But yeah, let's just open it up. One of my friends is letting me unbox these on camera, and you can see they already opened this one. But usually I think the green tab is supposed to be on the bottom. So let's just hope everything is intact. And then they slide out like here. And here's the white one. I did get the upgrade to the 128 gigs. But yeah, just judging from this picture, the outside looks like a pearl kind of color instead of white. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, very clean, very clean. Okay, so here we have the phone. Has a little protective tab here for you, and here's the back with the two cameras. Here we have the stickers and some other things, such as, I believe, the care booklet. And then it comes like this, and then down here you have the lightning charger. I mean, it's really simple. There's really not much to it. I do realize, like, here, inside the box, they do have a little cutout for the phone so the cameras do not get damaged during transport. And here is the back of the phone. It is very white, like pearly white. It doesn't seem to have like a hint of any other color. And the sides here are, I guess, steel, but it looks like it could kind of be like opal a little bit too. It's like a pearly kind of silver. It's not metallic silver, if that makes sense. Here you have the buttons on the side and a space there. On the other side, you have the silencer. So, like all the other iPhones, it turns red when it's on silent and then when it's not. And two buttons for volume. They don't stick out that much, and they do make that clicking noise. You can see in this generation, compared to the iPhone 11, they're no longer rounded here, so it's pretty flat all the way around and kind of more squarish. And then here's the bottom with the two microphones, I believe, and then the speakers are on this side, and then the charging is down there as well. So here, let's open it up. Very nice. Okay, so that just came off in one piece. It looks pretty good. And I can actually fit this in my hand because I have very small hands. So it'll be nice to kind of go back to a phone where I can actually put my finger all the way to the edge. Here's just the 360 of the iPhone 12 mini in the white color. There are some separations on the sides where it doesn't continue. This was the one that was a little banged up. So hopefully everything looks okay on the inside. And this is how the tab should be when you open it up like this. Everything comes off in one piece. As I said, here's the parts that were a little bit damaged. Might have been thrown around a little bit, but that's okay as long as the inside is fine. So here we go. Same thing, you have that little hole up there to protect the camera. And then it looks like this. So here, let's take this out. And then right in here, you see the charger and then the care booklet plus the little Apple sticker. And then you have the same kind of white sticker. It does look a little blue, like the edges. The edges don't look completely black. They do look a little bit blue, but you can hardly tell. It looks black in some lights and then it looks blue in other lights. So it might just be a bit reflective. And then the back here, it looks completely black, But again, because of this part, it can look a little bit like navy blue given the right lighting. So that's kind of nice actually. Here we have the Apple logo, the 2 cameras, the flashlight. The sides are the same with that spot here along with the power button. Other side is also the same. So the part where this continues, it blends in a little bit better than the white one, but that isn't a really big deal, I think. And the same thing here, let's just peel it open. That is so satisfying, and then it comes off. There's nothing that pops up from the sides, so you do have to be careful with this. I feel like if this is face down in anything, it'll definitely get scratched, so do have to be careful. Same thing with the cameras. The camera here actually bumps out, where I feel like for some of the iPhones that doesn't happen. There's actually surrounding areas that bump out a little bit more, but for the cameras, this part bumps out, and then the actual camera lenses itself also bumps out. So you just have to be careful or get a case. It does look nice. The screen goes kind of all the way to the edges, as opposed to, let's say, the iPhone SE where it doesn't go all the way. And this is similar, but you can definitely see the outline is a different color even when you're looking at it straight on. So here are the two kind of a side by side. You can see the outline or the aluminum parts of the phone. The edge of it definitely matches better when you have the black. You can't really see where the edge starts. Whereas in the white one, you can definitely see like there's this black kind of bevel, and then you can see the aluminum part, which is pink, even if you're looking straight at the phone from the front. Here's what it looks like on the side. My fingerprints are a little bit on it now, but here is what they look like on the back. And of course, here is the bottom of the phone. This is the front. I definitely want to say they're both really nice to hold. I feel like phones nowadays are getting so big, I can't even differentiate between a phone and a tablet. So it'd be nice to kind of switch back to this. I would say the color in real life is a little bit different from online just because it's a little bit reflective. This kind of color looks a little pink to me on the sides with the aluminum. Hey Google, turn the light to candlelight. Yeah, I don't know. Hey Google, turn the light to white. Yeah, subtle difference. Don't get me wrong, it still looks nice. On the back, the Apple logo on this one looks a lot brighter. And then on this one, it looks a little bit darker. They're both silver, but I feel like this one catches the light a little bit more if you care about that stuff. In my opinion, the black one looks cooler and sleeker, whereas the white one is kind of more cleaner looking and prettier.